Damn near 60, dude.
Almost 60 feet.
Yeah.
Was that the double backflip? That was the first one.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the double backflip was ridiculous. You landed that one, didn't you?
Guys, this YouTube stuff is a lot of work. Let's unload the death ramp. Piece number 2. Piece number 3. Don't knock over the coffee. Oh, I took out my GoPro.
Ah! Oh.
Oh, I took out my GoPro.
Oh my God, dude. That is so sick. Dude, that's 50. Oh, oh no, no. I don't care about my tractor, just that truck. Oh, so close. So close. No, it nosedived, just barely. It broke? Yeah, it nosedived too much.
Oh, she broke.
What broke? Just something? Oh, shit.
She broke, guys. You want to do it two-wheel drive? Let's give it a
There's
shot.
no way, dude. Two-wheel drive.
All right. This is two-wheel drive.
See if you can hit the ramp.
Two-wheel drive.
Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh, dude, you almost cleared the first one. I mean, you did clear it. Sort of.
Oh, no!
Oh, no.
Oh, guys. I think that's going to have to end the video right there. I mean, we did get a bunch of double backs and fronts and flaps. And Xmaxx is king, baby. Oh, yeah. She got it. I had lots of smiles. There weren't enough smiles for me. Yeah! Yeah, doggy! Yeah, doggy! Woo! Watch out, Kelvin!